Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. In what may be the only direct experience of an organized pastoral experience, while the pandemic restrictions continue, the novices participated in Salesian College Preparatory's freshman retreat on Wednesday, November 18. There, 56 freshmen attended the retreat in person, while another 42 participated virtually. The half-day retreat was designed to introduce the freshmen to the four pillars of the Salesian oratory: home, church, school and playground. The four novices each ran one of the activities designed to give the students an experience of the four pillars. By means of a scavenger hunt, the playground experience had them discover various parts of the campus, including the Salesian cemetery. Four school groups of students composed an advertisement for Salesian College Preparatory. To bring out the significance of home, each one shared about the persons who had or are having a positive influence in his or her life. Composing prayers of thanksgiving helped the participants become aware of the sacred atmosphere of a Salesian oratory. The novices worked together both in preparing for the retreat day and in evaluating the day, thus making the youth ministry event truly formative for them. The TLS Commission on Formation, headed by Father Manny Pinto, SDB, conducted a 2 days of formative meeting for the quinquennial priests held in the IFFS Instituto Filosofico de Sao Francisco de Sales, Comoro. 11 priests and 1 deacon participated in this annual meeting. The facilitator of this meeting was Father Jojo Santwind, SDB, another great Salesian missionary who has completed his study in the area of psycho-spirituality in the Philippines. He was one of the most awaited conference prepared by the TLS Vice Province in order to accompany the candidates to become religious and priests in their congregation. The previous plan was to invite Father Henry Benetti, SDB, once more, but unfortunately he couldn't come due to COVID-19. This annual formative meeting started with an opening remarks from the provincial Father Apolinario Neto, SDB. He reminded and called the participants to go back to their personal motto when becoming a Salesian in their first religious profession. Since we are alter Christi, then let us think on how we present Christ to others. He thanked Father Jojo Santwind for accepting the task. He encouraged the participants to strengthen their dignity as a pastor and a Salesian. Furthermore, there should be an openness of heart to speak out, to challenge in order to know better oneself, to live in the community and in fulfilling the mission entrusted to our care. The first EAO Don Bosco Green Alliance Animation Eco Team meeting was held on the afternoon of 10 December 2020, convoked by the EAO DBGA coordinator Ms. Taichi Miranda FIS. It was a success thanks to all the participants and also their provincial or delegation superiors. Although we miss some provinces and delegation, the rich sharing of convictions, expectations, real experiences and dreams have energized the EAO DBGA Eco Team in their starting phase. Among the 15 participants, there was a rich variety of backgrounds. DBGA EAO Coordinator Ms. Taichi FIS, EAO SDB Regional Councillor Father Joseph Fuok RMG, DBGA Convener Father Savio Silveira INB, EAO Formation Sector Coordinator Father Mel Resilis FIS, and 9 province or delegation level DBGA contact persons, 6 SDB and 3 lay mission partners. Father Simon Lee, Mongolia Delegation, Father Kint, VIE Province, Mr. Eduardo Sandoval, Cambodia Delegation, California ECO Volunteer, Father Vincent Sabal, FIS SYM Delegate for FIS and for the whole of Philippines, Father Francis Okamoto, GIA Province, Father Romel Mendoza, CIN Province Secretary, Mr. Alvin Luinga, FIN Legazpi TVET Staff, Father John Koshindwind, MYM Vice Province, and Father Bryant Ahern, AUL Province YM Delegate. Through their personal presentation, all felt a lot of enthusiasm for caring for creation in many different ways. On the solemnity of the Immaculate Conception of the Blessed Virgin Mary, 4 Salesian clerics, Dr. Joseph Wu, Euclidio Marquez and Felipe Sarmiento Cardoso, commit themselves to God forever as Salesians of Don Bosco. The solemn celebration was held on 8 December 2020 at St. John the Baptist Church in Clifton Hill next to the Don Bosco Regional Formation House in Melbourne, Australia. Due to the COVID-19 restriction, about 130 Salesian families and friends were able to participate in the celebration with face masks on and other social distancing regulations. During the homily, the Provincial of the Australia Pacific Province, Father Will Matthews, encouraged the Salesian before their perpetual profession to be like the Blessed Mother who replied to the message of God, "I am the handmaid of the Lord," accepting the invitation of God with humility and in total commitment. Father Bernie Graham, Brother Dat Funk and Father Frank Molini acted as witnesses to their profession, while Father Will Matthews represented the Rector Major of the Salesian congregation. At the conclusion of the Eucharist, Brother Duck, Brother Lidio, Brother Elipi and Brother Joseph thanked God and all those who accompanied them in their formation. On the 8th December 2020 in Cebu City, the Salesian Society of St. John Bosco, Philippines South Province, celebrated the perpetual profession of two Salesian brothers, Brother Rafi Besonia SDB and Brother John Raymond Montejo SDB. The perpetual profession was a most awaited occasion 9 years in the making. It highlighted once again for the province the role and importance of Salesian brothers. The last Salesian brother to perpetually profess was Brother Louis Domitian SDB in 2011. The celebration was held at the Archdiocesan Shrine of Our Lady of Lourdes in Punta Princesa. His Excellency Archbishop Jose Palma Didi, Archbishop of Cebu, graced and presided over the celebration of the Holy Mass. Speaking from the occasion of the Feast of the Immaculate Conception, the Archbishop reminded the two brothers to become signs and bearers of God's grace as Mary was to a world corrupted by sin. It is when a religious embodies in himself the presence of Christ that he fulfills the promise of God in Genesis. St. John Bosco Parish, enshrined in Murcia, Negros Occidental, Philippines, Rector and Parish Priest Father Bonk Borguitua SDP just launched their green project on 8 December 2020, tree planting with Mother Mary for Mother Earth. Each family in the parish community that is extended in a large area with many faraway chapels are encouraged to adopt a tree and take care of it and make it grow. A project in line with Don Bosco Green Alliance objective and goals for greener Negros Island. This tree planting activity is a collaborative effort with Energy Development Corporation, Milum Minoyan, United Farmers Multipurpose Cooperative, MUFAMP, and family stakeholders from Barangay San Miguel and Barangay Minoyan. Lockdown of varying degrees is one reality due to the pandemic, but going beyond that to a learning process using available resources of mobile telephony was something new for the pineapple farmers and processors of Assam. The partnership between FICCI and Don Bosco Tech Society made it possible for them. It was surely different, useful and engaging and hopefully futuristic. Don Bosco Tech Society has partnered with FICCI, Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industries, and FISCI, Food Industry Capacity and Skill Initiative in the Traditional Cluster Development Program for the pineapple growers and pineapple processors in the state of Assam through a short-term online training and certification. Virasat, the Heritage, is an initiative by the Industry Chamber that gives a platform to the small and medium enterprises working at traditional cluster level to showcase their talents and to share with the world their amazing journey. This program also offers a platform to different traditional clusters from various states of the country to share best practices and explore synergies. 8 December is an important day for the Salesians of Don Bosco. The solemnity of the Immaculate Conception of Our Lady was the day that Don Bosco started his first oratory with a simple Hail Mary. In memory of this event, Divyadan Salesian Institute of Philosophy, Nashik, organized an evening of faith games for the boys of the daily oratory. The program commenced at 5 p.m. by helping the boys understand the significance of the day through some videos based on the life of Don Bosco with his boys. The scholastics at Divyadant then organized faith games concluding with the distribution of prizes, a truly enriching and wonderful evening of togetherness. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.